Gentlemen, welcome to the 36 Hole Challenge. We're just going to go over a few important items today about the tournament, things we must know, things we must do. First rule we're going to do is everybody's going to play from the white tees. That just throughout the whole tournament, that'll just be easy, white tees. That'll just kind of help bridge gaps. And then, just a reminder as well as I'm looking at my notes here, we want to make sure we're early to tee times, tee off at 6:02 in the morning. Please Google Maps your route and see how long it's going to take you. Please be early, and if you need a carpool, there's a bunch of us who are driving up, so just contact one of us. Once we get there, white tees, and we're actually going to start with tiebreakers, gentlemen. This is how we're going to do tiebreakers. We're going to go with the Stableford point total first, followed by your Stableford stroke total, and then then we'll go to the handicap holes until we determine who won that tie, wherever it is. Now, looking at the tiebreakers, we'll see how important the actual Stableford is going to be. That's the first 9 holes that we're going to play, and that goes. The scoring goes like this. We got 8 for an eagle, 6 points for a birdie, 4 for a par, 3 for a bogey, 2 for a double, 1 for a triple. Anything over a quadruple or higher, just go ahead and put the goose egg. But make sure that you finish the hole, because we may have to use your stroke total as part of a tiebreaker at some point. So please finish out every hole on this first 9 while playing as quickly as possible. First 9, finish your hole, get your stroke total and your points. That's the big one. The second 9 holes is going to be the Shamble, which is basically all four team members hit a drive. You all pick the best drive, then you play your own ball from there. So let's say somebody hits a drive 300 down the middle. That's the drive you're going to take. Everybody's hitting 2 from that spot. Then you play your own ball till you hole out, and whichever ball scores the best, that's the score for your team. Again, play quickly. That's all we have for that one. Now we're going to go to the modified 2-man alternate shot. Now this is going to be a little confusing. That's why we have this beautiful illustration here. We're going to have 2 people tee off. Each of you on your team will tee off, and you'll both hit the ball. Then you each play each other's ball, and you keep switching back. You keep alternating balls until the balls hold out, and whichever ball scored the best score, that's your score for the hole, for your team. So if one ball is already at 13 and you have a ball on the green that's after 4 shots, please just pick up the other ball and just finish out the one. Again, we're just trying to stay quick because of the transitions between holes, or in between the 9s we have to make. That's about it for this. Just if you have any questions about this, please come talk to the golf committee down here in Account Services. We'll set you straight. After the modified, we go to the match play. Match play is pretty straightforward. Just whoever wins the hole gets points. If there's a tie, points are split. We're going to do the best. 12 points, I think, are available on every hole. And you split that accordingly between how many players have the best score. The one thing I did forget to mention, make sure you update your scores in the Google Sheet upon completion of every hole. That way the transitions are quicker and we can not hold up the entire course. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please come down. If you haven't got your entry fees in yet, please get those in as soon as possible, just so that we're not at the course waiting for you to be able to start. Thank you very much. Look to see you on Saturday. Long drives off the tee.